Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this checkerboard pattern on the 4x4. Make sure to like this video and watch till the end. Let's get started. If you don't know how to read notation, you can look at my hands. I'll put the algorithm on the screen and in the description. So here's how it goes. D2, U2, R2, L2, F2, and B2. As you can see, this looks really cool and it was really easy. So if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post one.